Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, yesterday I told you the summary of the story The False Gems. In today's lecture, we will go through some short question answers of this story. What is the moral of the story The False Gems? The moral of the story is that honesty is not always that important. The man was happy with the woman who was unfaithful and dishonest although he didn't know it. इनकी जब तक आदमी वो नहीं जानता था मॉन्सर लैंटन कि उसकी वाइफ जो है वो उसके साथ अनफेथफुल या डिसोनेस्ट है, जस्ट एज ही डिडंट नो दैट हर फॉल्स जेमस्टोन्स वर एक्चुअली द रियल थिंग. Finding what he thought would make him happy, he actually had a वर्स लाइफ. यानी कि अब जिस चीज़ से उसकी लाइफ जो है वो वर्स हो जाती है कि जब उसको बैड रियलिटी जो है उसकी नॉलेज में आती है कि उसकी वाइफ जो थी उसके साथ ऑनेस्ट नहीं थी. शी हैड एन अफेयर विद सम अदर पर्सन. व्हाट इज़ द कन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ द फॉल्स जेम्स? Lantern and the conflict occurs between Monsieur Lantern and his wife. It is of the character versus character variety. Then, when they married, she had a modest beauty and angelic shyness, and she seemed to all as the very ideal of that pure, good woman that any young man would want to marry. What is the topic sentence of the false gems? Monsieur Lantern's wife actually having an affair. In The False Gems, Mawson uses the theme of the story to show us that ignorance is bliss. By using the ironies in the story, he gives a cynical statement of the superiority of false happiness versus real happiness. What does the title The False Gems really mean? As the Jews, the title shows that you should focus on just the jewelry, but as the false gems, the title focuses on the beautiful things, such as the wife and the gems. Seen as the gems are real, then the wife is the one who is fake. What is the climax of the false gems? Monsieur Lantern learns that the jewelries are real and he learns his wife's affair. This is the climax कि जब उसे पता चलता है कि जो जेम्स हैं, जो ज्वेलरीज हैं वो रियल थी, जो जिन्हें फॉल फेक समझा जा रहा था, और उसकी वाइफ जो थी जिससे वो इतनी इतनी उसकी रिस्पेक्ट और लव था, लेकिन उसकी वाइफ जो है वो उसके साथ डिसऑनेस्ट साबित होती है. फॉलोइंग एक्शन इस स्टोरी का क्या? मॉन्सर लैंटन बिकम्स रिच एंड ही क्विट्स हिज जॉब. What was the job of Monsieur Lantern? Monsieur Lantern, a chief clerk in the Department of the Interior, enjoyed a snug little salary of 3,500 francs, and he proposed to this model young girl and was accepted. He was unspeakably happy with her. She governed his household with such clever economy that they seemed to live in लग्जरी. इनके वो दोनों हस्बैंड वाइफ जो थे इतनी कम इनकम में भी, इतनी कम सैलरी में भी बहुत अच्छी मैरिड लाइफ गुजार रहे थे. हाउ डज़ द टाइटल ऑफ द फॉल्स जेम्स relate to the meaning of the story? Explain your answer. How does the meaning of the story change if the title is The False Gems or the Jewels? This relates to the jewels that he thought were fake but were actually real. This was when the meaning of the title changed in the story. What is ironic about Monsieur Lantern's second marriage? आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ फर्स्ट वाइफ ही मैरिड अगेन. अब इसमें उसकी सेकेंड वाइफ जो थी उसके बारे में क्या चीज़ आयरॉनिक है? मॉन्सर लैंटन इज़ अनहैप्पी विद हिज सेकेंड वाइफ. वाइफ वॉज अनहैप्पी. वाइफ इज़ वेरी रिच टेस्ट एंड एक्सट्रीमली बैड टेम्पर्ड. To the meaning of the story, because first wife is poor and decent, quiet and gentle. What particular social problem does The jewels reveal. How did Monsieur Lantern become rich suddenly? Monsieur Lantern discovers that his late wife's supposedly fake jewels are real. यानी कि जब उसे पता चलता है कि वो सारी jewels और ज्वेलरी जो है वो रियल हैं, दे आर नॉट फेक, वो तो उसके रिजल्ट में क्या वो एकदम से रिच हो जाता है. सेलिंग देम ही बिकम्स रिच एंड एग्जैजरेट्स हिज वेल्थ टू others. Why does Monsieur Lantern decide to sell his wife's jewelry? कि अपनी वाइफ की ज्वेलरी जो है वो डेथ के उसकी वाइफ की डेथ के बाद क्यों सेल करने का फैसला करता है? बिकॉज आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हिज वाइफ ही रन्स अप सम स्मॉल डेट्स, वो कुछ कर्ज का शिकार हो जाता है, एंड थिंक्स द ज्वेलरी माइट बी वर्थ सम प्रॉफिट चेंज. और क्योंकि वो समझता है कि ज्वेलरी जो है वो फेक है, तो वो कहते हैं चलो इससे कुछ रकम उसको हासिल हो जाएगी. शी नो ही नोज द ज्वेलरी इज बट ही नोज द ज्वेलरी इज रियल and enjoys playing a joke on him. What is the theme of the Jewels short story? The short story Jewelry by Guy De Maupassant is an insightful piece with the compelling theme of appearance versus reality. मेन थीम जो है स्टोरी का वो क्या है कि अपेयरेंस वर्सेस रियलिटी की. द थिंग दैट्स appears genuine it proves fake, and the things that appear fake in the story they prove genuine in the end. And that the life is full of irony. The jewelry tells the story of a middle class French couple, Lantern and his wife. Who is the greatest writer of the story The False Gems? The story The False Gems is written by Guy de Maupassant. He was born on 5 August 1850 and died in July 6, 1893. He was a popular 19th century French writer, considered one of the fathers of the modern short story writers. What is the setting of the jewelry? Setting of the story by as the other name of this story is also the jewelry by Guy de Maupassant. The setting of the story is 19th century Paris, and the main character is Monsieur Lantern, a clerk with the Ministry of the Interior. The rising action takes place during a party. There Monsieur Lantern meets his ideal women, कि यहाँ उसकी लैंटन की मुलाकात जो है अपनी फ्यूचर वाइफ जो है उससे होती है. What were the two things Monsieur Lantern disliked about his wife? क्योंकि उसको अपनी वाइफ की कौन सी दो बातें पसंद नहीं थी. Lantern has only two complaints about the character of his wife. Her love of the theatre, इनकी एक उसको किस चीज़ से शिकायत थी अपनी बीवी की थिएटर से मोहब्बत, एंड हर लव ऑफ फेक ज्वेलरी, और सेकंड क्या चीज़ थी उसकी लव फॉर फेक ज्वेलरी. इवेंचुअली लैंटन स्टॉप्स गोइंग टू द थिएटर एंड हिज वाइफ गोज़ अलॉन. यानी कि पहले लैंटन जो था अपनी वाइफ के साथ उसको कंपनी करता था थिएटर जाते हुए, लेकिन बाद में उसको वो अकेली जाती रही. आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम द थिएटर वन नाइट, सॉरी, हाउ डिड मॉन्सर लैंटन वाइफ डाइड? उसकी वाइफ की डेथ कैसे कैसी होती है? वन नाइट आफ्टर कमिंग फ्रॉम द थिएटर शी हैड अ बैड चिल, bad cold, and in the next morning she coughed, and 8 days later she died of inflammation of the lungs. यानी कि उसको आते वापसी पर शदीद सर्दी लग गई और 8 दिन बाद उसकी डेथ हो जाती है. Monsieur Lantern's despair was so great that his hair became white in 1 month. Monsieur Lantern क्योंकि अपनी वाइफ से इतनी मोहब्बत करता था और 1 मंथ में ही उसके बाल जो थे सफ़ेद हो गए. ही wept unceasingly, और वो मुसलसल रोता था. हिज हार्ट वॉज ब्रोकन एज ही रिमेंबर्ड हर स्माइल, हर वॉइस, एवरी चार्म ऑफ हिज डेड वाइफ. हाउ डज मॉन्सर लैंटन रिएक्ट टू हिज वाइफ्स डेथ? Lantern was smitten with his wife from the moment he first saw her until the day she died. and even a little after. He loved her, wanted her to have nice things, and encouraged her to go to the theater even if he did not accompany her. यानी कि वो अपनी वाइफ से इतनी मोहब्बत करता था कि अगरचे वो थिएटर नहीं जाना चाहता था, लेकिन फिर भी वो उसको जाने देता था. द चेंज हैपन्स व्हेन हिज वाइफ डाइज. Why does Monsieur Langton think his wife should not go out in fake jewelry? Langton think his wife should not go out in um, fake jewelry. He thinks she should dress according to her means. It makes her look like a gypsy, and he hates gypsies. He is embarrassed at the thought that everyone will know of their poverty. Where did Ma'am Langton acquire her pieces of jewelry? She received her pieces of jewelry from her admirers or from some person with whom she had an affair. Why does the jeweler ask Miss Monsieur Langton to leave the necklace with him for 24 hours? उनकी जब वो फर्स्ट नेकलेस सेल करने के लिए जाता है तो ज्वेलर जो है उसको क्यों कहता है कि वो 24 आवर्स के बाद वो उसकी प्राइस ले. Lantern to leave the necklace with him for 24 hours. He wants to confirm that the necklace is a counterfeit. He suspects the necklace may have been stolen. यानी कि वो समझता है कि शायद कहीं ये चोरी का ना हो. He wishes to get a second opinion on his initial एस्टिमेट, और जो उसने ज्वेलर ने एस्टिमेट दिया होता है वो उसको रिवाइज करना चाहता है, उसको कंफर्म करना चाहता है. व्हाट इज़ द आयरनी एट द एंड ऑफ द ज्यूल्स? Ending irony. The ultimate irony of the false gems comes at the end of the story when readers learn the fate of the narrator. He is sure of his beloved wife's fidelity and virtue, but he is completely miserable because she has violent temper. What is the moral of the false gems? The moral of the story is that virtuous living is not always the key to happiness. Winsor Lenton was happier with a woman of less virtue. He was complete in her love. He felt completely loved by the women of less virtue than he did by the more virtuous women. How does Winsor Lenton change after selling jewelry? Langton ends up getting into debt and losing all his money after the death of his wife. इनकी बीवी की जब डेथ हो जाती है उसके बाद वो कर्ज और उसके पास पैसों की कमी हो जाती है. द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू हिज माइंड इज़ टू सेल हिज वाइफ्स ज्वेलरी, द ज्वेलरी विच ही डजंट थिंक विल ब्रिंग हिम मच मनी. क्योंकि उसका पहले ख्याल होता है कि उसको ज़्यादा इसके बदले में रकम नहीं मिलेगी, क्योंकि ये वो समझता है कि ये फेक ज्वेलरी है. हैज़ बिकम एन ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ लोथिंग एंड डिस्टेंस मेमोरीज ऑफ हिज लेट वाइफ. और बाद में उसको उससे उस मनी से और उस ज्वेलरी से नफ़रत महसूस करता है. हाउ डज मॉन्सर लैंटन फील अबाउट सेलिंग हिज वाइफ्स फेक ज्वेलरी? He doesn't want to sell his wife's jewelry. He also doesn't believe that the jewels were actually worth that much. He takes the money because he accepts the fact his wife is gone and that he really needs it. Where was the story the jewels set? This story was set in Paris. Mopson's story revolves around the life of Mr. Langton, a chief clerk at the French Ministry of the Interior, and his wife, Mrs. Langton. However, the actual name of the wife remains unknown to the reader throughout the story. There are some other short questions. Please read the text of the story to find the answers of these short questions. Who is the writer of the story? These are very simple short questions. How many characters are there in the story? Where did Monsieur Langton meet the young girl? Monsieur Langton had met the young girl at a reception at the house of the second head of his department and had fallen head over heels in love with her. Describe the character of the girl in the story or background of the girl. She was the daughter of a provincial tax collector who had been dead several years. She and her mother came to live in Paris, where the latter, who made the acquaintances of some of the families in her neighborhood, होप टू फाइंड अ हस्बैंड फॉर हर डॉटर. वो दोनों मदर और डॉटर जो थी वो पेरिस में रह रही थी, और उनका उसकी मदर का क्या की ख्वाहिश थी कि उसकी बेटी को के लिए कोई अच्छा उसको हस्बैंड मिल जाए. दे हैड वेरी मॉडरेट मीन्स. इनके उनके जो वसाइल थे वो बहुत कम थे. एंड वर ऑनरेबल, जेंटल एंड क्वाइट. द यंग गर्ल वॉज अ परफेक्ट टाइप ऑफ द virtuous women in whose hands every sensible young man dreams of one day interesting his happiness. Her simple beauty had the charm of angelic modesty, and the imperceptible smile which constantly hovered about the lips seemed to be the reflection of pure and lovely soul. Describe the profession of Monsieur Lenton. Monsieur Lenton, he was the chief clerk in the Department of the Interior, although he had very small salary. Describe the married life of Monsieur Lenton. Monsieur Lenton was very happy with his wife, because she governed his household with such clever economy that they seemed to live in luxury. She lavished the most delicate attentions on her husband, coaxed and fondled him, and so great was her charm that 6 years after their marriage, Monsieur Lantern discovered that he loved his wife even more than during the first days of their honeymoon. Next question is, what was Lantern's condition after the death of his wife? After the death of his wife, we see that he was badly shocked or badly shaken. Monsieur Lantern's despair was so great that his hair became white in 1 month. He wept unceasingly. His heart was broken as he remembered her smile, her voice, every charm of his dead wife. Why did he decide to sell heavy necklace? Because after the death of his wife, he was economically, his condition was getting worse, and he was debted. Therefore, he decided to sell some jewelry that he considered it was not very costly. It was just fake for him. How much was he shocked to know about the reality of his wife? Lenton was badly shocked to know about the reality of his wife and the reality of the fake jewelry. What are the defining features of Lenton's second wife? His second wife has a violent temper and is actually virtuous, but Lenton is not happy with her. His first wife was not virtuous, but he was happy with her. Theme of the story is appearance versus reality, and money cannot buy happiness. थैंक यू गर्ल्स. आप लोग इस सारे चैप्टर को, इस स्टोरी की समरी जो है वो पढ़ें और इसके शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पढ़ लें. थैंक यू सो मच.